How to fry mudskippers. Welcome back to Abby's Plate. Today we'll fry some simple mudskippers, or nevties as we call them. But before we go ahead, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Mudskippers, or mudfish as they are known in English, are called nevties in Marathi, or newties by us East Indians. This amphibious fish can live in both water and on land, and is found in mudflats or coastal wetlands like Karai Creek, Marway Creek, and other mangroves in and around Mumbai. Usually caught around March or April, they are sold alive, so be prepared for the wriggling and jumping when you get back home and plan to cook them. What ingredients do you need to fry nevties? All you need to fry mudskippers is salt, turmeric, and some chili powder. Before you get to the part where you have to fry the mudfish, you need to tackle cleaning them. I leave that to Mom and Dad. They're a bit too wriggly for my tastes. Anyways, once you get them home, place the nevties in a pot with a heavy lid, otherwise, you'll end up running around the kitchen trying to catch them. Literally. Add salt to the pot and cover it. It will take them a while to die. You can see them jumping around trying to escape while Dad scrubs them a little to remove any excess mud. Wash them once more after this. Now add salt for taste along with turmeric and chili powder. A teaspoon of vinegar is optional. Mix well and allow the fish to marinate for a little while. Or you can just cook it directly by heating the oil in a frying pan, adding the nevties to it. Sometimes Mom adds garlic slices to absorb any extra oil and add some extra flavor. Fry on both sides on a medium flame and finally serve with fresh mint and lime. Enjoy! For more detailed instructions, or any questions that you might have, visit https://abbysplate.com/howtofrymudskippers/. Don't forget to support Abby's Plate by liking, subscribing and sharing.